The Phoenix warehouse. So this, I think I've got a graph showing the location of this. I do. So if you take a look in the upper left-hand corner, this is the western part of Phoenix. Phoenix, if you don't know, is around a 5 million person overall metro area as opposed to 3.5 million in Denver. So it's a fair bit bigger than Denver. The blue star is the where our new warehouse is going to be located, and those hexagons below us are where the manufacturing and warehouse employees are at. So you can see that this is an infill location very close to where the epicenter of industrial demand is for the Phoenix market. And this is the first time that this area is, I think it's called Glenwood, is that right? I think it's Glenwood. Glendale, I'm sorry. This suburb is called Glendale. This is the first industrial project to be built in Glendale in 2 decades, just because there's very, very little space left in Glendale. It's all built out, and a very, very small amount of space that's available. There's not very many parcels that are big enough for a warehouse, and the zoning isn't correct. So if you take a look at this chart of where all these employees are at for manufacturing, the upper left, far, far away on the outskirts of town, that is where the vast majority of all of the new industrial space is going in. So for us to be able to be so much closer to where all the demand is at, it's going to give us a huge advantage. Something important about our site, it's only 300,000 square feet. A lot of the new industrial being built is 1 million square foot or more. So if you're an Amazon-sized tenant, you need 1 million square feet because that's what your operations are optimized around. Our building can actually be leased out to just one tenant for 300,000 feet, or if we have 5 tenants that want 60,000 square feet and divide it up, we can support it either way. It's designed for that. And you can see there is abundant parking for trailers as well as for cars on the north side of the lot. So this should be about a 17% rate of return. This is with a sponsor, Provident. They've developed 15 million square feet of industrial over the last couple decades. They're managing $3 billion of assets. They've developed $5 billion of assets over their entire lifetime. I would have to count. I think this is my 5th investment, either personally or through Ironton, with this sponsor, and some of our best projects have been with them. They've got a great track record. So we're putting $250,000 into this. I would have liked to put in more, but it was at the end of the cycle, and we got the last $250,000 for this project. This should take us 3 years, and I'm very optimistic about this one. It's a really good project. So thank you guys for your attention. Let me know if you've got any questions, and I'm excited to be investing with you soon.